Talking today about the Talenteria innovative career site builder and recruitment marketing platform and to whom this voice belongs. There we go. Yes. So my name is Alexei. I'm a product consultant at Talenteria, and I've been working with things around HR and talent management and recruitment for almost 9 years. So today I will be sharing the experience in the talent, I would say, acquisition area with you. So the main subject of the webinar is how to build stunning career sites. Literally, I will tell you what makes your career site effective, what it should include, and at the very end, I will show you how our tool called Talenteria may help you to achieve your goals, to get the best people on board, and to make people find your job advertisement. It will be maybe like 15 minutes of seeing the presentation, and then I will show the exact system that we provide. So first of all, I will be referring to the Glassdoor resource. By the way, Glassdoor is the world's leader on insights about jobs and companies, visited by 50 million unique users monthly. So it's a really great resource that provides a very interesting research. First of all, due to the current crisis in the world, COVID-19, the headquarters of the company is no longer that much actual. So basically, I remember myself when I was looking for the job a number of years ago. I wanted to know how far the office is from the subway station. Do they have a gym somewhere nearby, and so on and so forth. Right now, many people are working remotely, and because of that, the web presence must be strong, at least stronger. It could be 2 years ago before COVID-19. There are three factors that matter the most for the employee satisfaction, which are company's mission, transparent and empathetic leader, and clear career opportunities. And that must be very well described on your recruitment website. Let's go further. Company career site. First of all, the internet presents, like I said, it is now more important than it used to be a number of years ago. And right now, the company just simply cannot afford to have a website that will not be clear, that will be very much complex, and where the applicants won't be able to find the information that they need. That is why building an eye-catching site is today a must for the organization. So in 2021, Glassdoor revealed that 77% of applicants would consider a company's culture before applying for a job. At the same time, 56% of applicants say that company's culture is more important than salary, and 89% say that the company must show the clear mission and purpose, which is very important for the applicants. So what should a modern career site include? First of all, it must be easily accessible, and the access to the open jobs must be very clear as well. So I, as an applicant, don't have to search throughout the entire site and try to find among many small buttons the button which is called jobs. No, that's completely inappropriate. Non-functional benefits, the benefits that the company provides, not of a kind like salary or cookies or something like that in the office, but more about company values and climate that exists in the organization. Employee testimonials, that's also a very nice thing. Make sure that the applicant can very easily find the testimonials of what people who work for the organization think about this organization. Information and authenticity. A great career page should include certain information about every aspect of company's activity, business, whatever. And social media presence. Of course, try to make sure that there is a page on Facebook and other social media, and better if your recruitment site is linked with that. So the applicant can very easily go from the recruitment landing page to the social media page of your organization and see some communication between the employees, probably customers and other people that is all around your company. I'm sure our marketing guys will send you this file later, so probably I should not name each and every feature you see on this page right now. Mostly it's about the career site ultimate feature list, so later you will receive this information. We've got 2 pages of this. Now, applicant forms that bring you more candidates must include or must have the following characteristics. Be very simple and clear. Have a progress bar. That's a very good idea to show the applicant where he or she is and how much he or she has advanced. Be clear with the call to action. And it's good to have the autoresponder. For example, I have completed my application process on the website, and I should get some message, some automatic message from your system, from your site, from any kind of CRM, whatever, just for me to be sure that you have received my application, and I must somehow be notified about that. CEO or SEO or a search engine optimization, and why it is so much important for the recruiters. 54% of organizations make career site development a top priority, but who cares if nobody can find your job openings? Now, first of all, the career pages should look good on any device. You will see that over 85% of companies have mobile-friendly career sites. Over 81% have optimized their job search for mobile devices, and 65% of candidates won't start applying unless the site is mobile friendly. Then monitor your career site speed. There are certain tools on the web, probably there is no need to talk about all of them, tools that will help you analyze the speed of your career site. But if it is very slow, and if I click on the job or job openings section and I have to wait for 10 seconds, probably I, as an applicant, will just leave the website. Number 3, prepare keywords for every job opening you have. That's a very crucial part of the search engine optimization. The keywords will help your vacancies or job openings be higher in the list of Google or any other search engine results. So you should certain keywords that very well describe the job openings that you provide just will help more candidates to find your company and send you their CVs. That is very important. Improve the quality of content. Try to use short sentences. Really, the point is not to create a kind of essay when you try to describe your company or your company's mission or job openings, but the sentences should be quite short, informative, and it's a great idea to try to avoid large blocks or walls of text. So the candidate, well, personally, if I saw a great wall of text, probably I just wouldn't be able to find something important there. Links to useful resources where appropriate. Just like I said before, for example, you can put links to the social media sites from your career page, maybe some third-party boards where your employees leave feedbacks about you as an employer that also may be useful. That, by the way, relates to the part or to the point 3 below, links to the employer review sites. So anything that is useful that may give a good impression, provide a good impression to the applicant, that will be very useful. So think about using that. Use Google for Jobs, quite important and popular tool. And in less than a year, 57% of Fortune 500 companies have optimized their career sites with this tool. So don't forget about using it. At least it is a very good idea. Now, never lose candidates. Let me tell you that you may not have some job openings right now in some sphere or branch of business, but potentially in the future, you will be looking for some new sales people, software developers, or anybody else. In that case, you can create talent pools, and you won't be able to offer a job immediately to the people who apply for the talent pools. But later, you will have a kind of a workforce reserve, and in the future, you will be able to search in that database and see if anybody, any person in the talent pool matches your current criteria for a new actual job opening. So the talent pools are also very important. Specifically talking about the talent pools, almost 50% of all applicants would use a company's talent pool, despite the fact that you have rejected them. So people will still use their chance. On this page, we have different descriptions, but again, the main idea is that having a talent pool and many candidates in there will save much time in case you would like to quickly find somebody suitable for your job opening, or at least you can try to find somebody and you will save much time. Now, building your awesome career sites using Talenteria. Let me now please close my presentation and go to the web over here. So we will see the system from inside. And first of all, we will talk about how Talenteria looks from inside and what result you can achieve, which career landing pages you can get using Talenteria. The system will start with the analytics. Just let's wait a second. I have not touched this page for a while, so it may be unresponsive. So the system starts with the analytics to help you analyze how different websites perform and overall statistics of finding new applicants for your positions. And now, sites. You can very easily, using Talenteria, create a number of recruitment landing pages. For example, you work for a company and you don't want to ask IT guys to configure some new pages on your website. Instead of that, you need some simple constructor that will help you to build one landing page for IT applicants for your company, another page for sales applicants, and so on and so forth. And together with that, you would like to have a possibility to customize the layout, structure of those sites, any other information, text, whatever. You can very easily achieve that with Talenteria. Basically, we will just a bit later see how it looks from outside. But before we do that, I will show you how easily you can create the new site. Let's call it exactly like that, new site. Maybe not the best name, but something that comes to my mind first. New site. Of course, here you will add a better description than I do and provide some address. Of course, you can create any address you would like. Then you can select a template or select no template and later create your own layout, structure, buttons, text blocks, whatever you wish. Let me use some of the existing templates just for saving a bit of time. So we have some information about what we have just configured, and we will now submit the site, and we will be able to get into the site's settings. We will see that there are certain sections that will be available on the external website. Benefits of working for our company, culture, jobs, and so on and so forth. I will need to design it. No, I also have some design, sorry. Right, some layouts you can upload your own. You will be able to customize the job application form, like the questionnaire that people will be submitting on your external website, this website actually. And you can add as many more pages as you wish. So that is very easy to do. Now, returning to the sites that I initially had, let's see how it looks from outside. Which one I was using? I was using sales jobs. All right. So what you can achieve using Talenteria, any kind of a layout, some additional blogs, pictures, information about where your company is present, some testimonial of your current employees, and so on and so forth. So you almost don't have any limitation in the customization possibilities. Let's go to the jobs. The applicant will see it this way. So the applicant wants to apply for a sales analyst position. I can see the location, I can see some description, and I will be able to apply for the job. Now, I will fill this form as an applicant. I will provide the information. This entire form, it is I'm sorry, it is customizable, and inside of the system, the administrator of this whole process can easily customize all the sections and fields that you see over here. Going back to the system, all the candidates who send you their CVs, they will be inside of this tool. You can open the full list of candidates, or you can open job openings and find your candidates inside of the job openings they applied for. So you can see the information from different angles. And let's see Amanda Jones. Amanda has sent us some information. She has responded to the online questionnaire. We can put some notes about Amanda, maybe for some other people who might be working with Amanda's profile. And also we will see Amanda's resume looking just like that. So approximately the process looks like this. First of all, we don't try to compete with the ATS systems. That's why Talenteria can be synchronized with your current ATS if you currently have one. Yes. Again, talking about the reporting, you will be able to see how different sources perform and other important information. And we've got the settings. So you can yourself easily manage the users, passwords, you can manage the job opening settings and any other settings in this tool. So the idea is that when you are a recruiter, you don't have to have some IT skills. You can customize everything very easily with Talenteria standard tools. Returning back to the presentation, now I would like to thank you for listening and for your patience. And now please feel welcome to ask any questions you may have.